What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Mullah. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable keyboard light on your MacBook Pro and 4 Max. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, open system settings. So go to the settings icon, click on it, and then scroll down until you see keyboard. So as you guys can see, here we can adjust the keyboard brightness, and also we can turn on and turn off. For example, like right now it's turned on. If I turn off, it will go away. So as you guys can see, so, and also I can adjust it by moving this one, as you guys can see. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to visit our official website, theinternetmullah.com, to get more tutorials and tech news. See you guys on the next video. Bye.